Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make Guyanese Peera. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. I was speaking with an acquaintance from Guyana a while back, and I asked if he'd like me to try and make a Guyanese treat. He said sure, so I started doing some research and finally settled on Peera. It's kind of like fudge, but it's made with sweetened condensed milk and powdered milk. I followed the recipe on the Matemji website, which I've linked in the description. I also made a batch with coconut, which is less traditional, but not totally unheard of in Guyana. I'll put both recipes in the description, but I'm going to demonstrate the coconut version. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own coconut Peera, along with suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 1½ cups of powdered milk, 1 cup of shredded coconut, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 teaspoon of coconut extract, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of shredded coconut for coating. I also used a large mixing bowl, a whisk, some gloves, a scoop, a cutting board, and some parchment. Okay, let's make some candy. Add the powdered milk and 1 cup of coconut to the mixing bowl and whisk them together. Add the sweetened condensed milk and extracts, then stir until combined. It'll be very thick and sticky. You may want to use your hands for the final mixing stage. Keep your hands or gloves wet to help with the process. Scoop some dough and drop it into the bowl of extra coconut and roll it around until it's evenly coated. Keeping the scoop wet will make things easier. Form it into a ball. Place it on a lined cutting board and press a shallow indentation into it. Repeat with the remaining dough. Place the Peeras in the fridge and let them sit for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. I'm going to try both versions, starting with the traditional. Sláinte vá. It's got a kind of a dense, fudgy chew to it, creamy and moist. The flavor's like the milk left over after a bowl of your favorite cereal or the last bit of melted vanilla ice cream. Sweet from the condensed milk, but the powdered milk keeps it from being too sweet. No real strong flavors, very understated and pleasant. Okay, let's go coconutty. Sláinte vá. Same basic flavor as the traditional version, but the coconut adds a crunchiness to the chew, and that great coconut flavor makes it kind of tropical. If you want to bring an international flavor to your own candy kitchen, you really ought to try these. And welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to speak. The last bit of melted vanilla ice cream. Ice cream? No, I don't think so. Okay, let's go coconutty. Slunch. No, let's not.